but we have always been known as the most secure platform, and we provided, for example, to G16 or out of the G20 countries, governments for mobile infrastructures, secure mobile infrastructure, privacy. It ranged from our phones to all the software that we build, to build software that we put into the automobile. So we've always been doing it, and it's always nice to get the recognition. I don't know whether it's a game changer or not. Only the exception is I'm hearing all the news earlier. I think that the market and the world is now turning to privacy and security as a top priority, and which we've been waiting for a long time.
Hi, and welcome back to Market Conversations. Today is February 14th, and I'm going to talk about why BlackBerry has a lot of potential growth and why I'm bullish on this stock. So if you are interested, go ahead and stick around. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. And I just started a Patreon page where like-minded people can share ideas and try to grow our accounts together. There are a few members already in there who loves to talk about stocks, crypto, and options. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out my link down below. It is only 33 cents a day where you can get so much more valuable in the Patreon page. I promise I will definitely help you grow your portfolio. So let's get started. On January 25th, BlackBerry announced an expansion of its strategic partnership with Baidu, whose high-definition maps will run on the QNX Neutrino real-time operating system and will be mass-produced in the forthcoming GAC New Energy Ion models from the EV arm of GAC Group. The milestones built on the company's January 2018 agreement to make BlackBerry's QNX industry-leading ISO operating system the foundation for Baidu's Apollo autonomous driving open platform. On December 1st, 2020, BlackBerry announced a multi-year global agreement to develop and market BlackBerry's intelligent vehicle data platform, the IVY. BlackBerry IVY is a scalable, cloud-connected software platform that will allow automakers to provide a consistent and secure way to read vehicle sensor data, normalize it, and create actionable insights from that data both locally in the vehicle and in the cloud. Automakers can use this information to create responsive in-vehicle services that enhance driver and passenger experiences. The BlackBerry IVY addresses a critical data access, collection, and management problem in the automotive industry. Modern cars and trucks are built with thousands of parts from many different suppliers, with each vehicle model comprising a unique set of proprietary hardware and software components. BlackBerry IVY will solve for these challenges by applying machine learning to that data to generate predictive insights and inferences, making it possible for automakers to offer in-vehicle experiences that are highly personalized and able to take action based on those insights. On June 23rd, 2020, they announced that its QNX software is embedded in more than 175 million cars on the road, which is an increase of 25 million cars since the company last reported its automotive footprint in June 2019. The CEO stated, "In the past 5 years, we've gone from BlackBerry QNX technology helping to power 60 million cars to today's announcements of more than 175 million. A nearly threefold increase in testament to the fact that today's leading automakers and their tier 1 suppliers continue to put their trust in BlackBerry and our ability to provide them with safe and secure software upon which the next generation of vehicles is being built." This means that more cars will have their product every single year. This just means that they're going to help power more cars in the future. BlackBerry has partnered up with Onward Mobility to produce a smartphone with 5G technology. It says Onward Mobility, a US-based company in the mobile security space, has joined forces with BlackBerry, a longtime leader in the design and manufacture of mobile devices, specifically for the transmission of business data and communication. Onward will work closely with BlackBerry and FIH Mobile, a subsidiary of Foxconn Technology Group, to ensure world-class design and manufacturing of the devices. This will come out this year. It will come out this year, so that will be a huge catalyst to look for. Just recently, BlackBerry announces QNX Hypervisor 2.2 software to be used in EVs. Hypervisor is an element of BlackBerry's QNX operating system, has been updated to include design flexibility and scalability. The product works in a variety of embedded systems, including robotics and rail controllers, vehicle digital cockpits, and battery management ECUs. And it matters because BlackBerry has already secured partnerships with smart and autonomous vehicle manufacturers such as Baidu and Motional, backed by Hyundai Motor Company, GDR, for use of its QNX system. The new Hypervisor 2.2 allows developers more flexibility to run Android and Linux distributions without compromising the safety and security the QNX system offers, while also reducing the system's complexity. BlackBerry's QNX software is already used in more than 175 million vehicles on the road today. BlackBerry's new Hypervisor 2.2 offers system architects more options how to develop the system for their products, making QNX an even more sought-after product to embed in vehicles and tech hardware, such as mobile phones. I have no doubt that BlackBerry will continue to get partnerships this year. I am very bullish on BlackBerry, and I do see a price target of at least $50 by the end of 2021. If you are holding on to BlackBerry at a very high price, you should consider cost averaging down, because by the time the stock goes up, you will definitely make more money versus if you're holding the shares at a higher price. So what I've been doing, I've been selling cash secure puts to lower my cost basis. If you take a look, I have 300 shares with an average cost of $17.67. I had to buy 100 shares at $20 because I sold a cash secure put with a strike price of a 20. And of course, BlackBerry stock was below that. So I sold another cash secure put. I got a sign on that, but it was a lower strike price, and I was able to collect a small premium. So what I'm going to do next week, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Is I'm going to go to trade options. I'm going to go to February 26th just because this week is a short week. I'm going to sell a put. So selling a put is usually bullish, means you're bullish. And I'm going to click the 13 strike price. I can sell one contract, receive $96, and all I need to have is $1,300 in collateral, just in case I do get assigned. So if BlackBerry does not go to $13 or below, my collateral will be released back to me, but I still get to keep it, the premium, which is the beauty of selling cash secure puts. And also right now, since my average cost is $17.67, I can go ahead and sell cover calls against my shares. So let's take a look and see what we can get. We'll do the same thing, trade options, 26, but now instead of selling a put, we're going to sell a call. And I want to do it above my cost average. So I'm going to go to 19 strike price, and for this I can get $13. Unfortunately, we won't be getting that much money because it's further out and strike price, but $13 does make a big difference. But the only thing is, the risk is here is if BlackBerry goes above $19, you will have to get rid of your shares at 19. So the risk is you lose the upside potential. So usually what I tend to do is I would sell a short-term cover call and a long-term cover call. Because if you do a long-term cover call, say let's say March 26, you will get a higher premium. So let's say a 25 call. Now you're looking at $41 you will be collecting, but that's March 26. but you'll definitely get a little bit more money, and your strike price is now at $25. So those are some strategies to keep in mind if you are holding on to shares of BlackBerry. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did find this video valuable, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you think of BlackBerry, and do consider joining the Patreon group. We do have some amazing members in there right now that loves to talk about stocks all day and all night. So come by. Thanks a lot.